Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking the concept and scripting the first actionable lines so you can record with intention. Once done, position your camera and external microphone at eye level and check framing, make a 10-second test clip, and listen for background noise and proper levels. Make sure input peaks sit between -12 and -6 dB. If not, lower gain. Also close noisy apps, switch phone to do not disturb, and record a short sample you can use to match audio during editing. You now move into the detailed execution. Import and label every clip to avoid confusion, then drag video and separate audio onto the timeline and sync using your reference clap or waveform. Once synced, cut filler pauses quickly, use short crossfades to avoid clicks, and maintain pacing. Apply gentle noise reduction only where needed, then normalize levels to a target around -3 to -6 LUFS and add light compression for consistency. Make sure every edit supports clarity and the listener's attention. You finish by exporting with safe settings: H. 264 at 1080p, 812 Mbps for the video and AAC audio at 48K HC, then check the file for sync and artifacts. Next, upload to YouTube, craft an SEO-friendly title and description, add tags, and upload a clear 1280 by 720 thumbnail with the subject centered. Finally, publish on a schedule. Troubleshooting tip: if you hear clicks or pops, export separate audio stems and either re-render or use spectral repair to replace the damaged track before re-uploading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.